In this video, I'm going to talk about the textbook, how to get what you need for this class. I really do mean it when I say this. The cost of the book is important to me, especially being a public university. I'm conscious of the fact that if I make a bad choice on a textbook, the book can end up costing more than the entire class costs. So I don't want to be doing that. I don't want to be that guy. At the same time, I don't want to go the super cheap route so that you don't learn very much because publishers do put some good stuff out there. It's just unfortunately they charge for it quite a bit as well. So um, let's talk about how you would get to the stuff in this class. So you can go to the bookstore and you can buy the Access card that gives you kind of a code for what you need. And especially if you're on financial aid or you have VA benefits, it's a good way to do it. But for some of you who are just buying the book, you're just gonna buy it electronically. It's the best way to do it. So you would go to, once you're in here, you would go to McGraw-Hill Connect. If you click on that link, in my case here, I've already signed up with McGraw-Hill Connect, so it's probably going to go right to it. Yeah, so I'm not going to see it like you see it. But when you do it, you're going to see it with your link to log in for the first time. Or the other way to do it would be to buy access to the book, you would just go on any assignment, graded assignment. So I could go here to graded assignment homework 1. And it would also go to the McGraw-Hill Connect. So this Connect thing, it's what the publisher McGraw-Hill uses, what they call their electronic system. And in that are both the assignments as well as the textbook. So see, it's like launching it here. Now for me, it's already opening it because I already have access. But for you, the first time, it'll be like, dude, you haven't paid and you need to pay. And then when it shows up, you'll know you're in the right area because it'll say our class and it will say, summer 2023, that kind of thing. Okay. Also, though, the publisher does make a thing. Let's see here. They made a video, and I did post it here. So you would click on this link right here. Sorry, I'm just waiting for my little computer to do this. Sorry, it's really thinking about it. And I didn't make this video. The publisher made this video. She's supposed to be a student, just like you. There's supposed to be a video here. I'm guessing it'll show up eventually here. And let's just assume that the link works. And that my thing is just slow. Okay. And then the other thing here is that I'm going to post here is the registration link where you could just register online. But you'll need to make sure that you have access to Connect. That's their homework system. And with Connect comes the access to the textbook. So fortunately, I've made your life easy here. For the textbook readings, you can click on each of these. These are ungraded, so it just shows up at 0 points. But through Canvas, you can just click on that kind of link. And once you have your access to McGraw-Hill Connect, it'll link directly to the first chapter. And so then I can launch the reading assignment as a student. It's not really an assignment. It's not graded. If you never read the chapters, I guess that's just how you work as a student. But the given that you're paying for this access, you know, I think it'd be a good idea if you're reading your book. Sorry, we're just waiting for it here. And there you go. Eventually. And there you go. And there's a bunch of different things where you can like highlight things and cool things like that. But you know, then you can navigate your pages, and there you go. When you are doing the assignments, and even when you're doing the exam, I do make it so that you have access to the textbook. Okay, that's about it for talking about the textbook.